Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and I don't know if you can hear it, but my nose is really stuffy right now, and this is the product that I've been using to help with that. Let me just use it real quick so that I can get rid of the stuffy nose and then tell you why I love this product so much. So after about 3 to 5 minutes, I can breathe with both nostrils. It's great. I absolutely love this product. It has genuinely been life-changing for me in my absolutely horrible allergies, which I, by the way, get year-round. So having a product like this is super necessary for me. Of course, you should always check with your doctor before taking medication, but this is an over-the-counter option, which I really love. When I went to the allergy doctors, I had a lot of very serious allergies, and this is what they recommended when it comes to that nasal relief, and oh my gosh, it works wonders. And I really like that it has a light florally scent. It makes it really nice and pleasant when I'm using it. I was kind of nervous because I am not a big fan of nasal sprays. Like, the idea of it just freaked me out. But this is really nice and pleasant to use. It has a very fine mist, so it's really easy to just do it and not worry about like choking on it or like coughing or just general irritability. I really don't have that with this, and it lasts all day long. So if you are looking for instant relief or just in general really need something to clear those sinuses out and be able to breathe through both nostrils easily, then I highly recommend this Flonase. It has, again, been life-changing for me. I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.